AI is changing our buildings. But you know what? This isn't really a tech story.
It's a leadership story. That's the real game changer here.
And trust me, the tech has already arrived. Look at this. 92% of firms are on it. Which really puts the question to you, are you leading this or just along for the ride?
See, the whole game has changed. It's not about the boiler room anymore. It's about the boardroom.
Leaders now have to prove their strategic value, not just keep the lights on. And the market gets it. Smart buildings are just plain worth more.
The numbers don't lie. We're talking higher rents and way lower vacancy rates.
Problem is, most buildings are stuck here, collecting data but doing nothing with it.
So how do you actually do this? Here's the playbook, a simple 5-phase plan.
Step 1, get real. You need an honest assessment of where you stand today.
And this right here, it's probably the most important money you will spend.
Phase 2 is all about getting the right data. Start small, aim for quick wins.
And here's a huge tip for getting owners on board. Frame it as a pilot program.
By phase 3, the data starts working for you. We're talking serious savings.
Now you let the AI do the heavy lifting. Predictive models, autonomous systems, the works.
And if you think this is just theory, check out the Empire State Building's results.
But be careful. All this connection opens you up to huge cybersecurity risks.
Okay, great tech, but who's going to run it? That's the million-dollar question, right?
Because right now, there's a massive skills gap. Finding qualified people is tough.
This is where AI becomes your ally. It's not about replacing people, it's about supporting them.
Plus, the clock is ticking on regulations. These upgrades are becoming mandatory.
Which brings us right back to the start. The tech is easy, the leadership is hard.
The stakes are clear: asset value, risk, and a huge opportunity for strategic advantage.
The path forward is there for the taking. The only question is, will you lead the way?